Hi guys, welcome to Vlogtober. This is my first ever episode of Vlogtober and we're opening it brand new on the channel, baby. So guys, I've got a few errands to run today. First, I have to deposit money for my order that I placed for some perfumes, because I got some few orders for perfumes, the fine fragrance perfume. Don't forget to send your orders. And then also I have to go to my sister's place to get her hair done, installed. My phone is actually going off, but I'll try as soon as I get there by my sister's place. I'm going to charge it so I can record everything for you guys, because I love you guys. And this is Vlogtober episode 1, first ever episode. And come along guys, let's get it going. Ever noticed that I have like this big forehead because I always do installations. Eish. The head, but it's full of knowledge. I look like a Xhosa Zulu.
That's why I'm asking that you embarrass yourself.
Even the name I saw.
Alright, that's one thing to embarrass yourself in front of the entire
I'm
class.
Cameroon. Zoe, I'm hungry. What do you keep for me? I'm hungry. Hey, Zoe.
See this? I can.
Zoe. Zoe. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi guys. Welcome again. We finally got to my sister's place and we're here with baby Zoe. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. She's having flu, so yeah. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. Zaza! Zaza! Both of them. Eat. But you are eating. Hey, madam. Hey, madam. This girl is sleeping peacefully. Mama! You don't know for you. Hi guys, so I just got back home now and it's literally almost 7 o'clock. So I didn't talk a lot in that throughout the vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm doing my outro about 3 hours away from completing the vlog and everything, because yeah, my phone was tripping because I didn't charge it full from the time when I was starting the vlog. So I really struggled with shooting, but I made sure that I shot a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's Vlogtober episode 1, the first ever episode from my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is glue from the lashes that I did not even do. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video or the next vlog. Stay tuned. And if you watched to the end, you're the real one.